Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. Tonight we are going to make some baked salmon. I got some lemon pepper here. I'm going to coat it with this Mrs. Dash. You can use whatever seasoning you want on your fish though. It's really up to you. You want to put garlic on there, that's fine. Just wanted a little bit of lemon pepper taste tonight on the salmon. I'm going to drizzle this with some oil. Then I have the oven preset for 375. I'm going to drizzle this with some oil. I'm going to rub it in. You don't have to worry about the bottom side. I didn't remove the skin from the bottom. I'm going to rub these seasonings in very well. If you want to use gloves, feel free to use gloves. My hands are definitely clean. And then we're going to wrap this up in the foil and put this bad baby, or these bad babies, into the oven. I just purchased a power air fryer. I thought about using it, but I think I'm going to wait. Have some baked fish tonight. So as you can tell, I wrapped it very well. The corners as well. Not that it touches the fish, just a tad bit of inch up there. Okay, now we're ready to go in the oven. I'll see you back once it's done so we can sample it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our fish is done after 25 minutes. Look at this delicious fish. That salmon is going to be delicious, but as you see, it is falling apart. I'm going to sprinkle some lemon juice on here. Half of a lemon I have. Of course, if you want to add any toppings to this, anything you like on top of your fish. Some people like hot sauce, which I do like hot sauce. This lemon is juicy. It's not even half of a lemon. Look how much juice I'm getting out of it. Perfect. All right, let's sample it, y'all. Let's grab this piece right here on the end. How about that? Now, I'm not going to eat the skin of it. You can if you want. I should get a piece of this, though. Get a bite? This is delicious. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and family, leave your comment below, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Until then, God bless, and I'll see you next time.